guys, it's me, Marty, and welcome back to Glam with Marty. Oh, hold on, I'm sitting at the glam station. I could do this. Welcome back to Glam with Marty. I love this pillow my sister gave me last year for Christmas. So, I'm sitting at the glam station today. I know I haven't done that in a really long time, but it's because we're setting up the Glam with Marty thing over there. So, Christmas with Marty thing over there. So, we got the tree there. Ornaments are all over the place and all kind of stuff. Y'all are going to see that later. That's not done yet, though, so I had to shoot over here. Oh, I'm looking at Louis' picture right there, y'all. My baby is so cute. He's not here, of course. He's at his grandmother's house again, but he's so adorable. Today, my November Boxycharm Base Box came in. Also, cool story, bro. My first Boxycharm box ever was this time last year, so I guess this is my Charmer-versary. I'm kind of disappointed with my anniversary box, though, I'll tell you. They just been hitting it out of the park so much. So this one, I don't love everything in it, but we'll talk about it in a second. Before we get to that, though, I do have to tell you guys, the holidays are coming up, so let's talk about my favorite Dossier perfume. When I get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a Dossier perfume. I'm going to be giving away Floral Marshmallow, which I just found. Caliente, Don't Be Shy. I don't know if y'all are familiar with that scent, but y'all know how they always say Rihanna smells so good? I know she has her own perfume now, but the rumor was that Caliente's Don't Be Shy is the perfume she used to wear all the time. And that's the one I'll be giving away. It's the dupe for Caliente's. It's either called Love, Don't Be Shy, or Don't Be Shy Love, or some crap like that. That's what I'm going to be giving away when I hit 500 subscribers. So please, after liking the video, please consider subscribing. Oh, y'all, look my haircut. I went to get it cut last week. I cut inches off. It looked like a puppy was on the floor by the time I was finished. So anyway, Dossier, this one is Fruity Honey. I believe it's the dupe for Joe Malone's something honey. I can't remember what it was called, but surprisingly, I really like this one. I wore it for the last 2 weeks because I haven't been super busy, so I haven't been like running around a lot of places. So I wore it for 2 weeks straight. I usually switch my scents every week. This one I really, really like. It's just a fresh scent, almost like you just got out of the shower, like that kind of smell. Like not super floral, you're not super sweet. Yeah, I just want. Oh, also, did y'all see? I don't know if y'all follow me on my Instagram page, but I reposted on my stories. Dossier is now selling 3-wick candles. I know. Like, I had the first one that I tried. It was, oh, I forgot what it was called, but I'll insert a card for when I tried it out here. It was a really good candle. I didn't like the way it burned, though. That was the only issue I had with it. Now that it has 3 wicks, that problem's going to be eliminated. So, y'all should definitely check that out. And if you do check out anything at Dossier, including this Fruity Honey with Dossier, because they are discounted fragrances, I think people think that the quality is like discounted. These are the strongest perfumes I own. This is Victoria's Secret Tea's Sugar Fleur, which smells really, really good. That's probably my favorite Victoria's Secret perfume. But the scent on this one does not last nearly as long as the scent on this one. Like, I will wash clothes and the scent is still on there a little bit. Like, I can take it out and say, oh, that day I must have wore this. Like coats and jackets, they smell like that forever. My mom also uses them sometimes. She'll spray them in her office. Like, she has the home office like I do. This is my home office. And she'll, instead of burning candles or something, she'll spray this on the vents in her house. And when it blows the scent out. Hey guys, sorry for the little quick interruption. Y'all can see we're setting up Christmas with Marty back here. Speaking of which, I had to tell you guys about Dossier's Black Friday sale. I'm actually using Fruity Almond today. And the Black Friday sale has already started, so currently these deals are available on their website. Let me tell you guys what the deals are. Also, please don't forget, you can use code MARTY10 at checkout to save some money. But here is the deal. So the Black Friday sale, you can get, and I'm going to put it right here too, you can buy any 3 items for 20% off, 4 items for 25% off, 5 items for 30% off, and if you buy 6 or more, you get a whole 40% off of your entire order. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up about that because it's a really, really good Black Friday deal. They started on the 15th, so they are still going. I believe they're going to be until Black Friday. Check that out. I will leave my link down below. Well, not my link. I'll leave the link to Dossier down below as well as my code. And good luck. Happy shopping. So if you guys want to see what I got in my Boxycharm Base Box, you can just keep on watching. Thanks. Alright y'all, so a couple of reminders about Boxycharm. I have a subscription to the Boxycharm Base Box, which is this one right here. It retails for like $30. They did a little price increase, so I'll put the exact price down here, but it's around 30 bucks. And then you get to customize one of your items that's in the box. They give you a couple of choices to pick from. And aside from getting just the box, you also get access to the drop shop, which I have a drop shop haul coming soon. You get access to the mega drop shop, to refreshments, and to the charm room, which the charm room is where, like, if you review things, they give you points, then you can redeem them for actual products. Yeah, and if you do want to check out Boxycharm, I am going to have linked down below my tracking link. It's not an affiliate code. I don't get paid for it or anything. It just lets them know that you guys found Boxycharm by way of me. It's just a referral link. That's all there is to it. I am also going to list every single product in here down below. I'm going to link them all down there so that if you guys want to check them out separate from Boxycharm, you don't want to mess with a subscription service, all good, totally get it. You can check those out down at the bottom. So that's going to be down below, as well as everything I'm wearing on my face today, just in case I forget to say that. Like we do every other time, I'm going to go ahead and start with the things I will not be reviewing today. I did try some of the stuff already, so we'll talk about that in a second. This is what it looks like. Oh, I forgot to mention, they also have 2 other tiers. They have Premium, which is the step above this one. I think you get to customize 2 of your choices, and then they have Luxe, which is a quarterly box that comes out. I have no idea how much either one of those 2 are because I'm not buying them, so if I need something, I usually just get it from the drop shop. So that's the other 2 levels. But this again is the base box of November 2022. I will tell y'all, I watch a lot of Boxycharm content, like on YouTube, on TikTok. I follow Instagram. I follow them on everything, as well as influencers that they work with. So I saw a lot of variations on this box, and my variation kind of disappointed me. I wanted the variations I saw because there were a lot of good ones, but they hit it out the park last month and the month before with products. So I guess it was just my luck of the draw this time. I don't know. So anyway, the theme for this month, when you open the box, you'll always get the little card here. The theme for this month is It's Giving Giftable Glam, which I don't really understand because, like, you're not going to give anybody else your products. Maybe it's to give you gift ideas. I really have no idea. So on the back, we have all of our products listed here and the prices. So I'm going to go through each one of them with you guys. I'm going to show y'all like a factory picture of it, like a stock footage picture of it. And I'm going to also, again, include links down below of each and every product. So first things, the 2 things I won't be using. I will not be using this Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream because it is a moisturizer and I have like 10 open right now. I do not want to open another one. I do want to see what it looks like though. Luckily my face will always be here, so I'm sure I'll get to it all at some point. So this is the, oh my god, this is so beautiful. So this is the Saturday Skin Pretty Pop Probiotic Power Whipped Cream. This is it. I love the packaging so much. It reminds me of the Truly Beauty Glass Skin packaging, if y'all haven't seen that. Oh my god, Truly Beauty, by the way. I am a Truly Beauty affiliate, so I am going to link that down below as well if you want to see the products I'm talking about. I also have a code with them now too. It is Marty15. So if y'all want to check that out, I'll leave a link down to that down below. That one is an affiliate code, so in theory I get paid for it, but I haven't made a cent off of it yet. But just a heads up. Saturday Skin is a brand I've heard of. I've never used anything from them, but I have used them. I've heard of them before. I can't wait to use that moisturizer. So keep an eye on my TikTok because that's where I do my skincare Sundays, and that's where you guys will see me test this out. Let me read what it says on there because I do want to be able to give you the information. Not information, the information. So hold on a second. We have Saturday Skin, a soft and luxurious whipped cream with encapsulated probiotics activated by prebiotics for a healthy and radiant looking skin, and it retails for $57. I see that. I can see the money in there. I can totally see it. All right, so that's that. That's one thing I won't be reviewing. The next thing I will not be reviewing today, which it actually hurt me because I love these things, but I just have so many of them right now. The Luna Magic Hydrating Lip Balm. I have mango and cherry, so I guess this is a duo. I just want to show them to you guys. I'm not going to open them because, again, I just have so... Oh, this is beautiful. I just have so many that I just don't want to open another one. So I have cherry and mango right here. Good size. Yeah, I can't wait to try these. Again, keep your eyes on my Skincare Sundays on TikTok because that's where I'll probably be reviewing this. I just have so many. Like, if y'all look behind me, all of these right here, this, the one underneath it, and I have one in the bathroom and one in my handbag. That's all lip balm. So we definitely don't need any more lip balm in this house, and I don't want to open this one. So that is the Luna Magic Beauty Lush and Plush Hydrating Lip Balm. A hydrating sheer lightweight lip balm that leaves lips soft and lush, infused with vitamin E to nourish lips, and formulated with jojoba oil to heal dry lips and lock in moisture. So that is from Luna Magic, and it is a new launch. They retail for $16. So $8 a pop because it's a duo. That would be a cute gift. Now to the things I did try out. I'm very excited because I was kind of disappointed in my box when I first opened it because, first of all, there was like hardly anything in it. Like, other people got this mini heat styling brush and all this stuff. And when I opened it this afternoon when it came in, it was just like, womp womp. Like, it was so small. Like, everything, it looked so empty to me this afternoon when I got it. Let's go ahead and start with the Realher Metallic Eyeliner Duo. Okay, y'all can see my under eye right here. That's what I used it for today. They gave 2 different shades. I just want to swatch them real quick for y'all. I didn't wipe them off, but you can't really see them as well anymore. I used this pretty blue one today, which is called... Oh, they do have it. This is so cute. Okay, so they have names for them. They're written on the pencil. So you can see Realher on each one of them. And then I am creative and I am resilient. 2 things I know I am. So that's definitely where we're going with that. Really, really cool. I love this packaging. This packaging, insane. And I like that it's a rose gold foil. And you can see the color of the eyeliner here on the bottom. It is a very pigmented eyeliner. They are colors that I don't usually use. So this is I am creative, I think. No, this is I am resilient. So that's the bronzy color right there. And then this one is I am creative. I am creative is the one I used today. And I used it on my bottom lash line. I also used it to tightline with. I will tell y'all, it did slide around a little tiny bit. And that's I am creative. How beautiful is that? So it did slide around a little bit. But I'm not mad at it because I chose to put it in my waterline too, and I think that's where I messed up. But it just went on so smooth, y'all. Like, to put something in your waterline and it literally just slides like that never happens. So I was very, very happy with that. I really, really like that. So this creamy buildable formulation glides without tugging or pulling at the eyelid, suitable for any eye color. Its metallic finish is also waterproof and will last on your waterline. I don't know about that because I put it on my waterline and I don't think it's stayed a little bit, but it definitely transfers. So I wouldn't say it's like 100% gonna stay in your waterline, but it is still there. It's just not as pigmented as it was when I first put it on, which is expected. But if you make that promise, I'm gonna call you on it. So last Creed, defining lines are smudged to finish off a smoky look, or alone to add the perfect pop to your eye, or used to complete your look and accentuate eye. They retail for $30 for both of them. It's a duo. So again, $15 a piece. I'm not mad at that because it's so freaking creamy. That is a gel eyeliner. Like, it's really good. I really, really like this. Oh, I didn't give that diamonds. Let's say 4 out of 5 diamonds because it did transfer, but it's very beautiful. So this is, y'all know I have such a love for the brand Ciate London. This is the Velvet Lip Liner. It's a long wear lip liner, and y'all, I love it. I used it today. I filled in my lips with it. It's such a pretty brown. So this is what it looks like. First of all, props to y'all for making the entire stick the color of the liner. I love that. That's really, really nice. They call it a liner, but it's really more like a lip crayon. So this is what it looks like. Super smooth, glides on really, really nice. Super duper creamy. Nice neutral for me. I love this color as a neutral. So what I did was I filled in my lips with it, and then I used a lighter shade of lipstick than I usually wear because I knew the brown would tone it down a little bit. But even this, like, I feel like right now, I feel like you could just overline with it. It's just so good, y'all. Like, I love this thing. If you wear glosses that aren't super opaque and you want some kind of color, I think it would match so many people's natural lip color. It's just beautiful. I really, really like this one. They did good. But y'all know I love Ciate London. Ciate London, in my opinion, always comes through with really good products. So, I got the shade Cocoa. Let's have words about it. So this is the Ciate London Velvet Lip Liner. Achieve velvety soft lips with this liner. This soft, matte, intensely pigmented formula glides effortlessly onto your lips to perfectly define or reshape your lips. The perfect pout is just a stroke away. It retails for $18, and it is also a new launch. I love that. But like I said, Ciate London, I have so many products from them, and I've never been let down by a Ciate London product thus far. I absolutely love that brand. They put it down, and y'all need to, I feel like people are still kind of sleeping on Ciate London. Y'all need to get up, figure it out, check it out, because they have some really good stuff. That lip liner gets 5 out of 5 diamonds, obviously. This is an Ofra Midi palette, and I got the shade medium. I was able to pick my shade. A lot of the PR people I saw didn't get to choose their shade, and they all got medium. And so I was kind of nervous. I was like, well, all these people, the majority of them are white. And I was like, I don't know how that's going to play on my skin tone. Is it going to show up? But it showed up really, really well on my skin tone. The bronzers did. The highlighter, well, let's talk about it. This is a powder face palette. Beautiful. I love Ofra's Cosmetics. I love their lipsticks, and I love their highlighters. Who doesn't? The Ofra highlighters are like a staple. Like, I love my 2 Ofra highlighters. So speaking of those, let's talk about these colors. So we have Pacifica, which is this kind of darker. It's a matte. I guess it's a matte bronzer. I use it as a contour today, but it's really more of a bronzer. This is a glittery bronzer in the shade Sanfran, and then the highlighter is the famous Rodeo Drive. Oh, I just scared myself. This mirror is reflecting that light over there. I was like, what is that? Okay, anyway. And then this is the famous Rodeo Drive highlighter right in the middle, which I didn't really want to use it because, oh, and the pans, it seems like the pans pop out, so you guys can replace them if you wanted to. I don't know where you would buy it, but I guess I'll keep swatching on the same hand. I just want to swatch these real quick. Which, again, I already know what Rodeo Drive looks like because I already actually have that full-size highlighter. So this is Sanfran, Rodeo Drive, and what's the other one? Pacifica. So the bronzers are pretty light, but they're definitely buildable. Like, I was able to build the bronzer up to really make a good warm look. I really liked this too. I'll give this one 3 out of 5 diamonds, only because, one, I already have that highlighter. Let me show it to y'all since I'm actually sitting at the glam station today. But yeah, so these are my 2 Ofra Cosmetics highlighters. I think this one is Rodeo Drive. Yeah, so I already have the big one. So I'm gonna give that 3 out of 5 diamonds just because I already have one of the pans. And the thing is, I want to use the bronzer, so like I had to open it. I can't save that little pan for something else. What I think I may do, use one of those to travel with. But yeah, so that's the choice product, was the Ofra Cosmetics Face It Midi palette. Bring the vacay to you with this curated complexion trio to sculpt, warm, and highlight. This palette features buildable matte contours. Buildable matte contours and soft shimmer bronzers perfectly coordinated for light, medium, and deep skin tones. They didn't say highlighters. I think that's weird. Like, so that product I like. The bronzers are pretty light for my skin tone, which maybe that's my fault. Maybe I should have got deep. But deep had so much orange in it that it wasn't gonna work for me. Like, but y'all look at Rodeo Drive. That's why that thing is such a freaking classic, because of this. Look, my Cupid's bow nose. I love Rodeo Drive. So that is it for my Boxycharm Base Box review. I forgot to tell y'all too that Ofra Cosmetics, it's $35. And there's a lot of Boxycharmer PR influencers that get Boxycharm. A lot of them have Ofra codes. So if you follow any of them, check them out if you do want to try any of those. Again, I am going to link them down below. I don't have a code with Ofra, so I can't help y'all with that. But I can definitely help y'all find the codes. So I want to show you all the swatches one more time. So that's it, you guys. The box as a whole, I'm going to give it 4 out of 5 diamonds. I'm going to give it 4 out of 5 diamonds. And I'm going to tell you why. I know you want to know, so let me tell you why. It's because I really like the lip liner. I like the eyeliners. I like all the products. The ones that I'm not using, it's literally just because I have so many of them that I just don't want to open another one, like the moisturizer. I cannot wait to try that Saturday Skin moisturizer because the bottle itself is just gorgeous. Like, I cannot wait to try it. So if you guys want to see, like I said, my skincare Sundays, I'm still working the palette challenge. This is palette number 20 on the palette challenge. Mariale and Too Faced Amor Caliente palette. I had some of you guys on TikTok ask me if I could do tutorials with the palettes instead of just showing the palette and then swatching it. So I did a tutorial with that one and the chocolate bar palette. That's going to be on my TikTok page, which you can follow right here. I'm loving TikTok, y'all. TikTok is just like, yeah, if you guys want to see my glam in real time, including outfits of the days, including the Christmas with Marty setup, all that stuff is going to be on my Instagram page, which is going to be right here. And if you want to see my crazy random thoughts, that's all going to usually be on Twitter. That's where I really kind of flash out, is over on Twitter. So that's music, that's politics, that's, oh my god, y'all, election day that just passed, these midterms. That's going to be on my Twitter page, which is right here. Please like the video if you guys like what you're seeing. Please go ahead and subscribe because I am giving away that Dossier perfume at 500 subscribers. Last time I checked, I think we're back at 271, but I'm going to be giving away Floriental Marshmallow by Dossier when I hit 500 subs here on YouTube. So also down below, I'm going to include any affiliate links, any promo codes, Dossier Marty 10, Truly Beauty Marty 15, and I'm going to include all of my social media along with everything I'm wearing on my face, along with each one of these products with links in case you guys want to see, in case you want to check them out on your own. Until next time, you guys, I will see you next time you get glam, if you come on over and get glam with Marty. I'll see y'all next time. Oh, and in case I don't see you guys before then, have a very happy Thanksgiving. I'll see y'all next time. Bye.